Hey guys, welcome to PJ Wonderland. I'm Bridget.
And I'm Jeremy.
And today we're gonna do a Don't Pick the Wrong Shoebox Challenge. Jeremy did not follow along.
Yeah, I didn't.
Okay, so how this works is we're gonna put our eye masks on because they can't see anything. We're gonna pick a box and get any slime ingredient from it. By the way, activator isn't included. It's gonna be after we put everything. Okay, this is where I could go first.
Paper, scissors, rock.
How much rounds is it gonna be? It's gonna be rounds, okay? I don't know how.
What's this?
I don't know, just put it in. What did you get? Oh, you got that. It smells like apple. Can I go now?
I can open it.
How are you gonna open?
It opens.
Oh, that's a new one, I guess.
Yeah.
It's just slime in your bowl, Jeremy. You already made slime. Go with cheese.
It's not slime, it's goo.
Okay, my turn. I'm gonna pick this one because Jeremy picked that one. Let's see what I got.
Oh,
I got a glue. I could feel it. I got pink. Wait. I got pink. Okay, pink isn't my favorite color, but I work with it. Squeeze. Squeeze.
I actually picked the other box.
Why is it so hard? Oh,
I actually picked the other box, you know.
I know. Exactly, that's why I said I'm gonna pick the other box. Get in. Get in there. Oh my god, ew. No, I think that's enough glue. I give up. I give up on doing this. I don't want to do this. Okay. Jeremy, it's your turn.
We'll pick that one.
Again.
And this.
You got glitter glue.
Green. This is only $1.
That's still on it. I think you can just do this.
Okay. I want to do it.
Wait, take this off. Now pour it in. Squeeze it.
Wait, is there even activators in real life?
Yes, there is. There's one right beside that. Okay.
I also give up.
I know. Okay. That's actually a lot left in there. Okay. Let's see too. Okay, my turn. I'm gonna pick from this one because I keep. I don't pick anything bad. I pick you. Okay.
Gray.
I got gray mixed with the pink. Ow, that hurts. Ow, that still hurts.
Ow, that still hurts.
Anyone help me, someone? Someone please help me. I'm mad. Thank you, magical hand. Now I can put this in. Get it in there.
Now it's my turn.
Why is it so hard just to put glue in here?
Now it's my turn.
No, it's not. Oh my god, it's just stuck up. Get down there. Oh, thank you.
I'll pick this one.
Again, can you pick another one, please?
Blue.
Not help. You can just, you know.
Yes, my favorite color, blue.
Do you need help? Jeremy, do you need help? Here, I'll help you.
What's on my hand?
It's turning green.
Green and blue.
Really pretty.
This is mine so far.
I like the shimmer.
Wow, that's purple.
It's not purple, it's pink.
No, that's purple.
Okay, now my turn. And when I get something good, it will be something bad. I'm going to pick you. I got glitter. I got yellow. I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter on. Yeah, that's enough. What does pink and yellow make again? And red, it can make orange. It can make orange, I guess. Oh, it still looks the exact same. Look, it still looks the nearly exact same. It's like I didn't put anything in. Seriously, why? Jeremy, it's your turn.
My turn.
Can you pick something from there? Please. Did you close it?
Yeah. I got red and blue.
Maybe pick something from here, okay? Don't do all of it, do some of it.
Oh my god, now it's so blue.
Did you need help mixing it?
No.
Okay. This looks like you're struggling a bit. Okay. I guess I'll just do my turn right now because I'm okay with this. No, I'm not. I think I would like that. I'm picking glitter again. And I got orange glitter. I'm just gonna put this tiny bit because I don't want to put that much.
What is the opposite of orange?
Perfection.
What is the opposite of yellow?
I don't know.
Then what is the opposite of orange?
I don't know. I don't know the opposite of colors.
2,000 years later.
Okay, it's Jeremy's turn and
Gimme. Gimme.
there you go, perfection.
Gimme.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I love the feel of it.
You do? I hate it. It feels so weird and ugh. No, it just feels weird to me. That again.
I want to put all of it.
You can if you want to. Just put half of it, okay? Here. Maybe put half of the ones with that has. Just need it. Some balls. There you go.
Yes.
I would not get that. Okay, I guess it's my turn. Don't think it's looking out for that good with Jeremy with the goo. I'm gonna pick this one again.
Cause my one's always the bad one.
And what is that? I feel like it's something. Ooh,
That's a lick. Blue.
it's blue. It's gonna turn purple. One of my favorite colors. Wee, smooth. I like this. Get out, though. Get out. Get out.
What is my mixer doing here?
It's trying to mix, but it's not mixing that well. There you
My
go.
turn.
Just gonna mix some of this now.
What is this? Kind of purple. Yes, I love it.
You're kind of purple. Yes, I love it. Now it's turned blue now. It has turned blue and a bit purple. And it's a brown.
Can I put all this? Yeah, I can put all of this.
It's glue, Jeremy.
Magical head said yes. This is $1. This is $1.
Why do they? Give me this. I guess it's my turn. I'm not picking up this one this time. And I think I'm gonna about to regret getting this. I definitely do. Yep. Done. What's the best thing?
No.
This looks better if this wasn't Jeremy's one because I like the color scheme look. But then I don't think brown and blue mix together well.
My turn. I go.
Pink.
Wow.
Perfect for your theme.
Yes.
The sound.
Can I put all this in magical head? Yay.
Haha, I'm gonna mix yours more.
Hey, stop.
Oh. What are you doing? Jeremy, here. Look. Jeremy, show me.
What does this more look like to you?
No.
It more looks like pencils to me.
There we go. Now, I guess it's my turn. Well, excuse me.
My one always has colors and your one always has one color.
I feel like every time when I make a slime, it starts with blue. Okay, my turn. I got glitter.
Yes, you did.
I know I got glitter.
How?
Because, no. Oops, I put too much.
It's my turn.
Now this glitter is getting all over the place. Why couldn't I just done this? Like, why couldn't I just like open this up and... I'm dumb. Like,
It's because I did that.
why couldn't I just do this? And instead, I unscrewed the can.
My turn. I got glue. School glue. School glue.
It's just
Mine.
light glue, Jeremy. Don't put all of that in. I don't know why, but I think he's broken.
No, I'm not.
Metro, can you please help me? This is hard. Thank you, magical hand. Now, forbidden. Whee! Woo!
Okay. Oh.
It's still dripping. Don't, stop. Stop! There you go.
Oh, white.
Right.
White glue. Yes! Look at the color.
I just want to reach my hand and grab it out, but it's still just glue right now. Ooh, purple. Okay, I guess I'll do my turn.
I felt like a slow power. It's because that one's blue and this one's purple.
I bet this is another white.
Yeah. You just got the thing that I got.
I know. Is there anything in there? No. Pick from this one, Jeremy. There's nothing in there.
No.
Thank you, magical hand. Now I shall pour. There you go. Can you stop? Stop. There you go.
There's 2 more. I got glitter. Dang.
What the heck? Is that what you're gonna put in?
No.
Or you wanna put in more?
Yes.
My turn. I can only get a lot.
Purple.
Purple.
Blue.
I should pour everything in it.
You're lucky. It's because you got your favorite color.
You got purple, my favorite color.
And you got purple, your favorite color.
No, blue is my favorite color.
No, blue is my favorite color.
Blue is mine.
No, mine.
I should put more glitter in it.
Is there anything else? No. There's nothing else there or here. That's for you.
So blue. What do you think, Jeremy?
Smells super weird. Yes. Can I touch now? Oh no. Oh no.
What?
Oh no.
What? What, Jeremy? What?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
See? Oh no.
Can I see? Oh no, to our hands.
I need to get this thing out.
Look at my hands.
Too bad. I'm trying to get this off. Just hate you.
Yeah.
I just hate you on accident, Jace.
Oh my god.
We're in the future and this is our slime. Let's just play this for a bit because it's fun. Wait, let me try something. I'm gonna try to make a bubble somehow. I failed. Oh, bubbles, Jeremy. First one to make a bubble is the winner.
I don't know how to make a bubble.
Do what I'm doing. Jeremy, watch. Jeremy, watch. Stretch it out. Then do this.
3, 2, 1, go.
I made a tiny bubble, I guess. Oh, yes. Try. Well, what the heck? Oopsie.
That's a pan.
So what now? Oh, bubble, tiny bubble's gonna go away.
Oh no.
I hope you enjoyed this slime video. What are you doing? Well, I hope you enjoyed this slime video. If you think mine was better, Twitter or on Facebook or email me. #CBlue. What about you, Jeremy?
#glittering purple.
#glittering purple. Make sure to give a like and subscribe. Bye! What are you doing? You hit me!